Hi everyone. Okay, I'm going to try to make a pair of earrings for a necklace I just made. So, I am going to find my little ones. And we're going to make it roll up. Probably need these. Last time I tried not to mar up the middle, and it don't like the soft nylon ones. Now, I'm going to do that on the other side. I cut this piece long. It's probably about 1 foot long. That one just ain't as tight as the other one. Wonder if I can walk it back a little bit and get it tighter. Because I used these on it. There. Have I went around it about the same? Maybe just a little bit more. Bend it up and find the center and snip it. I don't need that much wire, I don't believe, but never can tell what I'm gonna do. I play these by ear. Not the earrings really, but the wire wrapping part. This one's a little offset, so I'm gonna have to try to make it look like it's not. So I want to fold that up there. Take this one. So I only had 2 of these beads left. Please go through, because I only have 2 left. Let's see. Wonder if I can. I need a little drill bit. That's what I need. I bought some drill bits, but I don't know where they are. I don't know if I put them in a drawer or where. I have to find them. This is not going to work. Well, maybe it will. I just have to twist it on. I got it to go. Didn't want to, but I got it on there. Alright, now I want this one going the other way. so they mirror. See, now they mirror. I cut way too much wire. I'll put this on. Oh. Put that on. One of them tempted to. No, I'm gonna leave it like that. I was tempted to put a bead on the other side of the spacer, but I'm not. Alright. Go up around there, around. See how easy it is to wrap if you've got a long tail. I might do something with that yet. My wrap was a little loose there. There. Now, I think that's what I'm going to do. We'll snip it here. And hook it in. Straighten that out. And we'll go on this one. Hold it around that. Snip it there. Tighten it up. They're not exactly the same, but my cross went behind it. And it went in front of it on this one. But they're handmade, so they're not going to be exactly the same. That up, hook it on, and the copper will tarnish, and it should match that. If I don't want to put any of the liver or sulfur on it because this stone should be soft if it's turquoise, and it would take up every bit of that. I'm going to hook it on. Okay, y'all, there we go. There's a pair of earrings to match our necklace. Y'all, thanks for watching. Thanks for sticking out to the end. If you get a chance, check out my links in my description. There's a place where you can buy art and photographs. And then I have 2 other channels, a rock cutting channel and a art channel. Alright, y'all, thanks for watching. Thanks for sticking it out to the end, and I'll see you in the next one. Y'all take care out there. Bye-bye.